Over many years in my valeting and detailing business, I've tried lots of waxes, and today I'm going to be using Fuso coat. So first we need to prep for waxing your car. So we've removed all the dirt off the car, we've done all the safe washing methods, and we've even chemically decontaminated our paintwork. You don't have to do this, but I suggest you do this because you're going to get the best out of your wax. If you want to know how to do that, there is a checklist below here. Click that, it's free, so you can have that on your phone in order to prepare your car for waxing. I'm not going to show you how to chemically decon your car, that'll be in previous videos. The point of this video is to show you how to safely and get the best out of your wax. So I have my 2 microfiber cloths, brand new, fresh, clean microfiber cloths. And like I said before, we have our wax with our Fuso coat wax, and we have our wax applicator. I will admit to you, Fuso coat does come with a wax applicator. Don't know where it is, but I've got many on the van, and this is a great one we're going to be using today. If you want to know how to get this wax or anything in this video, there'll be links below. Click there, take you straight directly to that product. Just put a little bit of water onto our applicator because it's going to help make the wax a lot easier and more pliable to use. So we only want to wax 1 or 2 panels, no more than that at any one time, ideally 1 panel at any one time. So we're going to apply the wax in straight lines, away from you, towards, and left to right. So we're going to start going away from us, towards us, going half an applicator size each time, okay? We're going to go to left to right in a cross hatch sort of pattern. If you're ever unsure how long you leave the wax for, if it doesn't state it on the product, finger test. All you're going to do is use a dry finger into where you've applied the wax in that area, and if it easily comes off and buffs away, not leaving any streaks or marks behind where you've run your finger, that's when you know it's perfect time to buff. So with our 2 microfiber cloths, we're going to have buff 1 and buff 2, up and down, left to right with 1 cloth. You can grab your second cloth to do a second buff. So we've done wax on, wax off. Reason why I said before you only want to do 1, no more than 2 panels at any one time is because if you go around the whole car and then you come back to buffing it, it's going to cure, i.e. dry, so hard onto the panel it's going to be an absolute nightmare to buff. So rule of thumb, like I said before, any 1, no more than 2 panels at any one time. So the Fuso coat wax I'm using now is more of a hard wax, but there are other ones on the market, like I mentioned at the start of the video, from liquid waxes and paste waxes. Liquid waxes are a lot easier to apply, also they're classed as glazed waxes as well. They can buff off very easily, they're not as durable as something like a paste wax or a more harder wax like I'm applying today with the Fuso coat. But if you're more like a valeting detail and you do this for a business, I would go with more something like a harder paste wax to get that better durability and gloss, or maybe like a hard wax like this, as opposed to something like a glaze or a liquid wax. If you do want that, that's mainly aimed at your hobbyist, someone that cleans their own car. It's quick to get on and get off. So how do you know if you've got full coverage of your wax and you've done a good job? Well, the first one is silky smooth after we've done our wax on, hold on, I'll show you. And this is why we want to wax and protect our car, because as you can see, the water, as what we like to call, is beaded up. So if we've got a protected panel and a protected car, the water doesn't want to stay on the panel, it wants to bead off. That's why we're getting this. And if you follow this step from start to finish, from washing your car, prepping your car, waxing, and then buffing your car, if you get results like this, then you've done an incredibly good job. I hope this was a great video. If you want to know exactly how to do this with a quick checklist on how to wax and prep your car, there will be a link below. Click that, and everything that I've used today in this video will be there. If you do have any questions for me, please feel free to leave a comment, like the video, all that good stuff. I hope that was helpful. Let me know all the how-to videos you want on this channel. Thanks for watching. Love you all.